I welcome you to the technical analysis of the Nigerian stock market. This is market formula, and everything that will be shared in this video is only for educational purposes. This is the beginning of a new month. We need to analyze the market, see what happened in the month of January. Yesterday, I made a video on this particular candle. This was the day before yesterday's candle. This was Tuesday. On Tuesday, the market lost marginally, and then yesterday also the market lost marginally. This is 1.9%. Looking at the three candles we have here, you can say that the market is actually responding to the psychological level, and there is possibility that there's going to be a sell-off going forward. We still need one more day. By the end of tomorrow, I'll still do another video and see how the week will end. But the month has already ended, so there's need for me to do a video looking at the monthly chart. Let me switch to the monthly chart. You can see the month of January was a very big candle, the very strong momentum big candle, the break of channel. Look at it like this is a break of channel, and this extension is actually a Fibonacci extension at 109,000. So but the market is currently at 100,000 basis points. It's reacting to a resistance. So what do we expect going forward? Let me step it down to the weekly. You see, the weekly is actually showing a bearish signal. If the week should end like this, then this level is going to act as a resistance. Let me look at the NGX 30. Let's see what is happening on that chart also. NGX 30 also doing the same. NGX 50. Okay, for NGX 50, you can see that the market is going up. Let me see what is happening on the weekly. Okay, for the week, let's see. For the monthly chart too is a breakout, and the month has already closed. So we need to really pay attention to the month of February. If you are an investor, you are good to go. You can buy in any market condition. But as a trader, I'm a trader. In the month of February, we determine a lot of action. If the month of February becomes a red candle, that means we are having like an harami. Look at what happened here. This is a strong bull. Then the following month was a bearish candle. Then market sell off. So if this should go like this, the month has already closed. The month of January has closed, and we have a February, a bearish February. Most likely, the market will sell off. We are currently at the channel high. So if we have a rejection at this channel high, we expect a sell-off to a support at the midpoint of the channel, and if there is a break of that, we see that it will expose the lower level. So let's look at the banking sector, NGX, NGX Bank. Okay. For the month of January, the banking sector is not good. If you are holding the banking stock, I advise that you should plan exit, especially if you are a trader. And this is due to some policies that are coming up for the banks. Let me just analyze this and see what is happening. Let's see if we're looking at this trend. This is extension Okay, we are currently sitting on the channel top. This is what is most likely going to happen. For the banking sector, we should expect a sell-off, maybe to somewhere around this level. For the insurance, this rejection is not too is is like 50% rejection. So we could expect something like this for the insurance companies. Let's say this will happen. Most likely, let me draw the trend. Well, so that will be all in this video. Happy new month to you, and I wish you a lovely February.